Crypto Tips may or may not be hanging around Rome, Italy, and we may or may not have happened upon the world's smallest country. It's so cute, awfully powerful. And if you want to know, if you know what that is and you think you know what you're looking at behind me, go ahead and leave it down below in the comments. But so anyway, today we're talking about some surprising ties of Sam Bankman-Fried and the White House, among a lot of other things as well with this court case. If you guys are interested, if you appreciate these updates, I appreciate it if you hit the like button, if you hit subscribe, because we're putting out videos every single day, keeping you updated and everything we're doing, everything that's happening with crypto. If you want to know what we're doing with our cryptocurrencies, check out the CT Club. A link for it is down below. So, the White House have officially confirmed that there has been multiple meetings between Sam Bankman-Fried and the White House. What was it, do you think, that they were talking about? Well, first, obviously, prevention of pandemics, because Sam Bankman-Fried is an expert in that, among other things. And additionally, as you said, they're also talking about, basically cryptocurrencies and the activities of cryptocurrency exchanges, wanting to get some insights from Sam Bankman-Fried on all the ways that a centralized cryptocurrency exchange could be corrupted, probably. So, admittedly ties to meeting multiple times, not only with the SEC, but also with the White House, which is crazy. Furthermore, he had his hearing yesterday where he has pleaded not guilty to over 8 counts, some of which including wire fraud, others including campaign donation fraud. And I think his lawyers have until April 3rd to file to dismiss this case. I don't think that's going to happen. I think this case is definitely going to go to court, and if it does, that will happen in October of this year. So, October. We're gonna get all the dirty laundry out in court. It's gonna be in public filings, and we're gonna find out where the money went. And yes, indeed, he was a fraudster, and yes, he did commingle user funds and lenders and investors. He screwed everyone over, and he's still cashing out over $600,000. Shortly after Sam Bankman-Fried pleaded not guilty, and also this statement coming out from the White House, a number of different U.S. agencies are showing us everything that they know, which is, I'll include a link to this down below. But so it turns out that these experts, they say, based on their understanding and their experience in cryptocurrencies, is that when you're holding a cryptocurrency asset, when you're using a decentralized network, that isn't the same way that a banking system runs. I'm glad that they finally understand that. And also they're scared that the risks of cryptocurrency assets like volatility and other things that they can't control will bleed out into and infect the banking system and become a bigger problem, actually affect them and their banking buddies. When in reality, the number of fines paid by these big banks for defrauding their customers, for doing very illegal activities, the amount of fines that they have paid far outweigh the whole market cap of the cryptocurrency market. So there is some perspective for you, is that they're trying to say that these banking systems are pure white, innocent. They are perfectly operating to protect the users, and it should be protected at all costs against the bad guy, the cryptocurrency market. These guys are so heavily bought and paid for, and it is showing. It's becoming more and more apparent. It's pathetic. That's going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you guys enjoyed this, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.